Imagine building something so special that no one on Earth has ever seen it before. That's exactly what scientists from Brown University and the University of Michigan have done. Using tiny silver particles, thousands of times smaller than a grain of sand, they created a mysterious crystal structure that had only existed in scientific theories. Think of it like building with microscopic Lego bricks. For decades, scientists knew that metals could change from one crystal shape to another. But there was a problem. The middle stage of this transformation was so unstable that nobody could observe it. Until now, the researchers designed unique silver nanoparticles and carefully stacked them together. This allowed them to capture and stabilize a hidden crystal phase that had never seen before. But the surprises didn't stop there. When they shine light on the new material, it showed unusual quantum behavior normally seen only at extremely cold temperatures. Amazingly, this happened at room temperature. This breakthrough could help scientists develop future quantum computers, ultra sensitive sensors, and advanced communication technologies.